GRU Spetsnaz. You're inserted into enemy territory with one clear objective: gather information and stay unseen. As GRU Spetsnaz, your role is reconnaissance and preparation. You move carefully through forests, villages, or mountains, observing everything that matters: troop movements, supply routes, guard routines, and communication points. You don't engage unless absolutely necessary. Instead, you watch, record, and remember. You track how often patrols pass, where vehicles are stored, and which routes are most active. Every detail you collect is used to build a clearer picture of the enemy's position and weaknesses. When the mission calls for it, you shift from observation to disruption. You may sabotage rail lines, destroy fuel supplies, or cut communication cables to weaken the enemy before larger forces arrive. Operations like those during the Soviet-Afghan War followed this pattern: small teams operating deep behind enemy lines, creating damage that slows down entire operations. You avoid direct fights because your value is in staying hidden and completing the objective. Your work shapes what happens next, even if you're no longer there to see it. VDV Spetsnaz. You are deployed by air, often dropped deep behind enemy lines to reach critical locations before anyone else. As VDV Spetsnaz, your role is fast insertion and immediate action. You land, regroup quickly, and move straight toward your objective, usually vital targets like airfields, bridges, or enemy communication centers. There is no time for hesitation or long observation. You rely on training, coordination, and speed to get in, secure the area, and prepare it for the next phase of the operation, all while avoiding detection and minimizing risk. Once you reach the objective, your tasks become precise and deliberate. You might secure an airstrip so reinforcements can arrive safely, destroy communications to disrupt enemy coordination, or hold a strategic position until additional forces arrive. Every movement and decision is timed to the second. Success depends on speed, accuracy, and teamwork. Your mission is short, direct, and intense, leaving a mark on the battlefield that affects the larger operation long after you've moved on. Alpha Group. You operate in cities, buildings, and other confined areas where every step matters. As part of Alpha Group under the Federal Security Service, your main role is counterterrorism. You respond to hostage situations, armed standoffs, and high-risk threats where civilians may be present. Before entering, you study the layout, mark entry points, and plan who clears each room. Timing and coordination with your team are critical because mistakes here can cost lives. When the operation begins, you move fast and precise. You breach doors, secure rooms, and identify threats immediately. Your job is not just to stop attackers, but to protect anyone nearby while neutralizing danger. Decisions must be made in seconds: who to engage, when to hold, and when to move forward. Success depends on control, timing, and accuracy. Every action is deliberate because there is no margin for error in these high-pressure environments. Vympel. In Vympel, your role shifts to long-term, high-value missions that often happen far from the public eye. Under the Federal Security Service, you focus on critical infrastructure and sensitive facilities. You spend days or weeks gathering intelligence, mapping security systems, and planning your approach. Sometimes you enter an area under a false identity, blending in while monitoring routines and vulnerabilities. Everything is about precision and remaining undetected. When it's time to act, your work is surgical. You might disable power grids, communication networks, or key installations to weaken the enemy without drawing attention. Every step is planned to avoid exposure, from entering and completing the task to leaving without leaving a trace. Your success is measured by how effectively you disrupt operations, often without anyone knowing you were there. Stealth, timing, and control define every mission. SOBR. In SOBR, your missions take you back into the open, but this time, it's the city streets that are dangerous. You deal with organized crime, armed gangs, and high-risk arrests. Your role is fast and aggressive. You plan entry points, coordinate with your team, and execute raids on warehouses, apartments, or nightclubs. Timing is critical. If you move too slow, targets escape. If you move too fast, the operation can go wrong. Once the raid begins, everything happens in seconds. You clear rooms, secure suspects, and neutralize threats while avoiding unnecessary risk to your team and civilians. Every action is decisive. Every decision has immediate consequences. Unlike behind-the-lines reconnaissance or intelligence work, SOBR missions are loud, fast, and confrontational. but precision and control are still what keep you alive. OMON. In OMON, your role is less about hunting enemies and more about controlling situations that can spiral out of control. You operate in public spaces during protests, riots, or large gatherings where tensions are high. Your mission is to hold the line, manage crowds, and prevent violence from spreading, often with hundreds of people pushing, shouting, and moving unpredictably. You work as a team, using formations, barriers, and tactical movement to control the crowd. Every decision, when to push forward, when to hold, when to redirect, is calculated to maintain order while minimizing harm. The work is physically demanding and mentally intense because one wrong move can escalate the situation. Success is measured not by arrests or confrontations, but by keeping the situation contained and under control until order is restored. Naval Spetsnaz. In Naval Spetsnaz, your world shifts underwater, where sound, sight, and movement are limited. You operate as a combat diver, performing reconnaissance, sabotage, and infiltration missions along coastlines, ports, or enemy vessels. Your role is to approach undetected, often carrying equipment for demolition or intelligence gathering, and complete objectives without leaving a trace. Every motion underwater is calculated. You control your breathing, monitor depth, and navigate in silence. You may attach explosives to ships, inspect underwater infrastructure, or gather critical intelligence for future operations. Mistakes are costly. There is no backup once you're in the water. Precision, patience, and complete control define every mission, because success depends on finishing your task quietly and exiting the area undetected. Modern operations. In modern conflicts, your role often becomes untraceable and deniable. You operate in situations where uniforms and official forces aren't visible, carrying out missions that influence events without any public acknowledgement. Tasks may include reconnaissance, targeted strikes, or disruption of enemy operations in foreign or contested territories. Timing, secrecy, and precision are everything. You move with small teams, using advanced technology, unmarked vehicles, and discreet communication to coordinate actions. Every step is planned to avoid detection while maximizing impact. You may secure strategic locations, disrupt enemy movements, or collect intelligence that shapes larger operations. Success is measured by results, not recognition. You complete your mission and disappear, leaving no proof that you were ever there. Life as a Russian Special Forces operative is defined by constant pressure and total focus. From deep reconnaissance with GRU to airborne assaults with VDV, urban raids with Alpha and SOBR, crowd control with OMON, and underwater missions with Naval Spetsnaz, every role has its own risks and responsibilities. Each mission demands precision, speed, and control, and mistakes can be deadly. Success is measured in results, not recognition. Operatives work unseen, striking and disappearing, shaping outcomes without anyone knowing they were there. It is a life of discipline, adaptability, and constant vigilance, where every decision, movement, and second matters.